Well, it's time to do the walk around. Just got back from the launch and took the side railings off the trailer so I can get to the sides to do a little bit better job on the oxidation of the hull. So the green cleaned up real nice. Looks like it was painted at one time. I don't know what kind of paint it is, but the shine came back real nice with some Meguiar's antioxidant and some wax. So the interior, and I'm going to leave the top on and just let it stretch and breathe. It's going into storage now. I'll pick it up next week and finish the sides. Yeah, whatever that piece of white hardware was that was there came out. And, there was a bracket here I repaired. Got a pretty close color match. And yeah, here's the other side. You can see the shine and that green. Hopefully the rest of the hull looks like that when I get done. Put at least 2 coats of wax on it. Though the house battery is on the port side, and the engine battery is on the starboard. Engine cover, everything's really tight. It'll loosen up. Storage down here. This is an original piece of vinyl. Haven't figured out where it goes yet, but this is the color of the original upholstery. It's cleaned up really well. And figure out where it goes. Yeah, the anchor locker. I just put some carpet here to protect the chrome from driving. And let's see, on the port side will be life jackets. Got Corky's life jacket in there now. Ours are aft. And then this one, we got bumpers ready to deploy. Main bumpers, I should say. Happy with how the upholstery came out for the way it was. Absolutely. Still a lot of detail work on the aluminum. And then the trailer. Took me a while to chase down the wiring for this dash, but we've got everything working now. So what's supposed to be on the key is on the key, and what's not is not. So I was having issues with the gas gauge before I started, so we have a starboard. Well, the key has to be on for that. So we have a starboard 3/4 of a tank. Port, a little under a half. Center off. Bilge pump blower. They have a little pilot light that tells me it's on underway. The marine mechanic bypassed the trim limit switch, so it goes up and down basically without having the trim limit, which limited the amount that it would go up when you were underway. So you had to do something special to get it to raise up all the way. But yeah, I can live with that. I found out where they bypassed it, and we'll, if we ever have to, we'll fix it. So there she is.